Pero, dalawa siya. Record siya sa Facebook. Record din siya dito.
10 minutes warm up! 10 minutes warm up!
If it's 5. 10 minutes. Or 5. Maganda laban to.
Kami waiting na kami ng jeep.
Just a reminder, guys, as always, referee position is final. Please respect the referee.
Wala kayong Wala kayong
And it's natin, please attend to your kids. Parang iwas yung flash na. Iwas yung flash na.
Dami pa
Kids,
naman.
please behave, okay?
Ganun talaga.
Please behave, let the dining delay.
Akala ko, 4 to 7 dito, yung GRFIM. Ibang ano pala, ibang
Sa ano na?
ibang school pala.
Sa ano ba? Campman ba yan? Ang high school na ano?
Kasi sa schedule ni Adam, nandun.
Pwede na. Pwede na tayong 4
Hindi, I want go. Pero, most of the player kasi, gusto 7 to 9. Pwede, sa ano na lang.
11 to 10 tayo.
7 to 10. Sa ano na lang natin, sa pick-up games na lang natin. 5 to 7 na lang natin. Pagkatapos ng liga. Wala yung dalawa yung puti nila sa ano. Wala ah. Di ba may puti sila sa king? Okay. Exclamation. O, tingnan. Puro kalbo.
Quick shout out sa sponsors natin before everything else. Taco Boys for the Veteran, title sponsor. Guys, the Lorry ESP Realty by Kitchen by Madam Jane and Boss Archie. 812 Mortgage Handback. And as a rental property and equipment rental, thank you for supporting the news.
Ayan.
Parang ngayon lang ito naglaro. May nangalan.
Pero maglalaro yan sa dito Alcohol at saka maglalaro din sa Open. Adik din yun. Ako, pag-i-contain nila si ano, si Aaron, wala na. Dito maraming mix pa.
5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Good luck to both teams.
How's it going today, guys?
Good,
How are you?
Good. Life is good. Life is good.
How are you?
Very good.
Last time, the fall was really hot or what?
What's that?
The fall?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was a little hot. Yeah. It's all good.
What? For the love of the game.
Yeah. You guys already had a couple games tonight?
No, first one. And second one later.
Oh.
Yeah. That schedule varies. Sometimes 4 to 7, sometimes 7
They might have been in another gym because there was like 2 games ahead of us, but it must have been another gym. Yeah. Cross things.
Okay, start na natin. Ready na kayo, guys. Point 5! Centurion!
Sa kanya na lang yung isa. Sa kanya na lang yung isa. Big guy got a picture. Si Vince na lang.
Ayun na. At ka na lang, pre.
Gawa na lang.
Artihan mo na lang, pre.
Right.
First five, let's go!
Sounds good. Ball? Good ball? You guys all set?
All good. First five, let's go! Good luck to my team!
I'm always hyped. I'm always pumped.
Gotta get off the coffee.
That's the thing. I don't drink coffee.
Oh?
Yeah, when my wife hits me, I get hyped. Like I want to go out of the house right away.
Yeah, she wants you out of the house. It's like my wife says. No retire. She says. You go back to work.
Yeah. I hope your wife doesn't retire right here.
There's 5. Yan lang.
Let's go!
That's all set?
Yeah.
Good sir.
Okay.
Good luck to both teams, let's go! Uy, first 2 points na ito sila sa...
Harap kanino?
0.5 home, ha?
4 boards, 0.5 home. Centurions, yes, that's a reminder, guys, okay? Kuya Nato tumira sa blind. Around the ball will remain with the black team. Inbounding Kuya Nato. Kuya Nato naghahanap, nakita si Bernard. Bernard setting up. Bernard, looking for someone to pass found Ben Tamsi. Ben Tamsi, sumanaksak. Ben Tamsi. Binigay na naman kay Kuya Nato. Kuya Nato, tagal sa trabaho. Supply, dalawang beses. Mark. Grabe! Akay ba talaga? Mark! First basket of the ball game by one. Iniwan si Bernard. Sablay ang tira. Rebounded, Jared. Jared. Jared on the way to the basket. And a foul. 23, taas kamay ang foul. Taas kamay. First personal foul. Kuya Nato, first team foul. Centurion. Ikaw ba? Asin lang. Si Jet pa, sorry. Jet pala, number 10.
Chef yun?
Jet, number 20. First personal foul, Jet.
Pumasok isa.
Pasok isa. Pasok yung isa. Uy! Foul! O number 10 na lang sa kabila, Joe, first personal foul, first team foul, 0.5. 1 of 2 from the free throw line, si Jared. Bernard setting up, Rajado ni Natnat. Uy, Bernard, nakawala! Bernard! Uy, sayang! Kalawal, sinasalaw! Bernard! Uy! Traveling violation called on 0-0 Ben Cameron. When a turnover by the Black Team. Wala pang butas sa Black Team. Lamang na ng lima ang .5. Marvin! Umahat! Supply! Ben, nahugalitan. Miscommunication. Substitution. Allen going in for, Kuya Nato. Wala pang butas ang Centurion sa ayan pa, si Mark. Pinadala ang bola, din kay Jared. Uy, nice! Out of bounds. Sayang ang linya. Wala yung joke ang linya eh. Nice hustle by Ben Tambi.
If basket, timeout. If no basket, no timeout.
Sige. Tulong. Sige kay Natnat. Sige kay Mark. Mark, pag-isa lang sa gilid. Mark, uy! Uy, ang lakas ni Natnat. Natnat. Bigay kay Joe. Restart sa ilalim. Wala. 10 with the rebound.
Alam mo na tayo.
Uy, sige kay
Timeout kami.
Jared! Wala! Alvin! Timeout, Centurion! Being a 4-0 run! Ang point line, wala pang bunas ang Centurion. Sige ang Centurion, ba? 7-0 in favor of point 5. Wala pang sagot ang Centurion. Taco Boys, Frederick Don, ating title sponsor, thank you for supporting the league. Let's go! Let's go! Ganda ng diskartihan ng point 5. Wala pang answer ang Black Team. Bernard, ayan, dumidiskarte. Baka sakaling makapuntos na. To Allen. Allen setting up. Allen to Aaron. Oh! Overlooked the pass. Another turnover by the Centurions. Marvin. Uy, not back to. Uy, nice hustle by Allen. Breaking the play for the point 5 team. Natnat! Kumak si Marvin! Nakita! Kaso, dinalik kay Natnat! Marvin! Uy! What a steal by Bernard! Bernard to Allen! Oh! Masyado malipis! And a foul! Joe, second personal. Second team goal point 5. Substitution, Popoy going in for John.
Allen!
Ayaw pa rin talaga. Ayaw pa rin talaga, pero si Jet pinahasol. Bernard with the cross. Bernard matake. Nakawala. Bernard nakita. Jet nakulong. Jet binigay kay Ben. Masyado matulang ang bola. Jared masyado. Marvin magkita. Wow! Then first personal, second team foul, possible 3-point play by Marvin. Grabe naman ang hassle ng point 5. Wala pang answer ang Centurion.
Gumito niya si Aaron.
Oy!
Down.
Guys, upo kayo.
Ang galit ng direktor.
Baka naman mati kayo dyan. Ben, ayaw pa rin talaga! Oy, nice defense by Bernard matake, Bernard tumira! Ayaw pa rin, may support shot. Guys, antayin nyo munang papasukin kayo ng ref para hindi magulo. Antayin nyo munang papasukin kayo ng ref. Mark!
Stop.
Ati ba? Yung sinasabi ko, pre, gulo niya. Oy! 2-2, 9, Mark! 11-0! 11-0, good answer. By the black team. Allen, Husling! And the ball will remain with Aaron, triple guarded. Aaron, triple team. And the ball will remain with the black team. Substitution. Mon going in for Nat. Eric to Bernard to Allen to Bernard from downtown. Uy, Ingat, may pasok ang buka. Mark, mag-isa lang! Uy! Ato pala si Marvin! Second basket of the ball game by Marvin. 13-0. Aaron, nagkasala ng bola. Wag biya ng dating na ni Aaron. Ayaw pala ni Aaron! Nahiba sa wakas! Nakabukas din! First night na nakabukas by Aaron. Tuloy-tuloy na kaya ito. Sama yun. Kaso nandiyan pala si Popoy tumiskarte, Popoy tumira, Popoy sabay, Aaron with the rebound. Aaron, magbayana. Oh, too strong. Oras. Ay, no, substitution lang. Sabasa. Substitution, Hindi, running time tayo. Running time. Ben, Mark, Popoy, tumira. Popoy, pasok. The first quarter. 13-point lead, 45 in favor of the Centurion. Layo pa, kahit ito kayo nangyari. ball game, of course, is brought to you by Taco Boy. Clyde Calori with the experience team, Mike Kitchen, 8-12 Mortgage Chargeback, as a property, and equipment rental. And I would like to thank you, everyone, who came in tonight to support their own team and their husbands. Ayun, bahala sa kanila mamaya kung bakit mga katawan yan. Okay na yan, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Black box. Tambak to, tambak to.
Let's go, let's go! JR, Quadrado ay Tope. Tope. Double team si JR. Binigay kay Eric. Eric, binigay kay Allen. Allen! Wide open! Oh, no good! And the ball will remain in the white team. Let's go! Popoy! Popoy, binigay kay Tito Dan. Tito Dan, binigay kay Tito Dan. Nakita si Popoy. Popoy! Popoy, bumabangga. Popoy, correct. Popoy, tumira. Popoy! Sabay! Popoy, nagkalikuhan. The ball will remain. The ball will go to the black team. JR! JR, mamunit! JR, paripensahan! JR! Binigay kay Keith! Keith! Allen! Allen! Wide open! Allen! Oh! Way off the horse. Tito Dan.
Iba talaga laro pag pick up o ano?
Tito Dan, Tope. JR, masika lang.
Liga lang.
JR, uy! Back pass to Keith! Keith! Keith on the way! Keith! To JR, to Allen! Nice ball rotation! First basket by Allen. 11 point lead. Medyo nagkakabuhay na ng konti ang Centurion. Nagkakabuhay na sila ng konti. Tope, kumete, Tope, Bargado de JR, Tope kay Tito Dan, Bargado, Tito Dan, tumira. Rebounded, Aaron, JR, binigay kay Eric, bouncing shot pala, Allen with the follow-up, no good pa rin, ayaw talaga. Tito Dan, with the rebound, Tope, very good.
Walang mintis yun.
Tope, Bargado, team by Ben, binigay kay Popoy, uy, nice pass, uy, pero hawakan natin ng konti yung bola. Keith on the way, uy, nawala ang bola. Ben, on the way to Popoy.
Tama ko kay Eric,
Ray miss, by Popoy. JR with a fake to Allen. Guarded by Tope, Allen with a fake, and foul.
Sab muna ako kay Eric. Eric, sab muna kita. Sab!
Tito Dan, first team foul. First team foul. Allen, 2 free throws.
Walang mintis to eh. Yun. Yun na.
Basket is good. Substitution! 2 of 2 from the free throw line, Allen. Ayan na, medyo nabubuhayan na ng konti ang Centurion. The lead cut to 9 points. 9 points pa rin ang point fight. Diyan ka sa Jared, pinagdagan pa. Quick kubat, nawala. Buti nakita ni Tito Nasa. Jared, tumira. Jared! Jared! First basket is for
Ayun, nag-point guard na.
Jen guarded by Tope. Allen, I got this! Allen! Oh my God! What a play by Allen! Possible 4-point play! Allen keeping the Centurion's dream alive.
One shot. Stop! Stop!
Sombrero na.
Oh, Aaron! Aaron! Oh! Ayaw pa rin talaga! Not all the way! Not unstoppable! Not unstoppable! Para naman iyan na. Iyan. Aaron! Aaron with the spin! Aaron with the dish! Not, wala ang bola! Not, uy, nakita ni Jared! Pinitas ang bola, parang putas lang. Oh, boy! With the layup! Medyo nag-grab walang defense ng ang offense pa lang naman ito ng Victoria. Vincent, naghaharap sa pamatahan. Nakita, hit, binigay kayo. Not, wala. Not here. Vince, tumira, Vincent, sablay na naman. Kapoy with the rebound. Jared, on the way, kaya ko na to, Jared. Uy, nice, not foul.
Sabo ng Aaron.
Zero. Si Allen, first personal foul. First personal foul, Allen. First team foul. Aaron, Ben going in for Aaron. Nice hustle, Aaron. Sablay. Take time, mamamaya tayo rito. Huwag naman masyadong take time, friend. Gana pa ako. Huwag naman ganun. Alam ko naman na-skip tayo. Pero huwag naman. Nasa ball of two from the free throw line.
Fire!
Ben! Mag-isa lang! Ben! Tumira sa gilid! Ayaw talaga! Jared on the way! Like a freight train! And a foul! Jared, tumalagasa, parang friend. Kita na naman. Kita, first personal foul. Second team foul ng Victoria. Jared for two. Yes, sir!
Reverse Raiders, tsaka, 49.
One of two from the free throw line, Jared. Hoy, ingat lang. Mahirap pasok ko bukas. Holiday ba? Hindi ka pa holiday. Okay, pasok. Guardiano. Double team. Keep, boy! Keep! Vin! Binigay kay Nat, nagulang! Nakita niyo po, boy! Igala na naman, mag-isa! Oy, wala! Jared pa rin! Jared! He's a follow up! Ano yan? Foul? 3 seconds. 5 seconds. Oh boy! Wala pa rin! Then, the rebound! And the ball will go to the black team. Less than 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. 0.5 outballing of experience, 25 to 9. Oy, Ben! Nakita ko ba si Ben? Ayaw talaga! Nakna to Jared, to Tito Dan. One rotation. Tito Dan, Tira! Nice defense by the black team. Very nice. Very nice to Vincent. Vincent! Oy! Dumalman!
45. 45. 40. Last shot. Sira na.
Bernard. Nagulat na, nagulat. Medyo nagulat. Sila yung nagulat na. Charles na naman! Ayaw! Pwede kumigaw. Wala!
Turnover. Wala na.
And the ball will remain in the black team. White team ba? White team. The ball will go to the white team. Wala siya naman na. Dominating the whole game, 25-9. Kaya ba yan? Iwala lang. And at this ball game is brought to you again by Taco Boy Fredericton, Thessaloniki, BXPLC, White House Kitchen, 812 Market Santa Pack, Alphabet Property, and West Coast. Thank you for your support.
Minutes. Drop. 3 minutes. Wala.
These guys are in tip-top condition. They can handle it.
Yeah.
Does your league go all summer too, or are you done soon?
Done in June.
June. Yeah.
No more summer.
No more summer?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Then
I did some of that. I don't like doing summer ball.
yeah.
It's too nice to be indoors.
We run from February to June.
Okay.
That's it. Next year again.
Yeah, but did you guys go in the summer too, or no?
We go on the other city, like
Yeah.
Newton, Tenskan.
Okay.
Kailangan dito dito. Ito. Maano na yan. Mahirap na yan. Mahirap na yan. Kaya, next year, kayo, hindi, ano na, organize. Pwede. Back up na lang eh, like, nakuha na lang eh, like, sponsoring, video, yung mga ganun ba. Yung sa inyo, yung mga game format, scheduling, invitation. Ano to ba?
Oh, let's go! Centurions, will they bounce back? Or point 5 will, point 5 will, continue dominating the ball game. Let's go, start the second half. Mark was shot to Bernard. Mark to Ben. Ben, binigay kay Mark. Binigay kay Mark. Mark was shot to Bernard. Marvin. Uy, for rotation. Mark to Lira. Sablay. Ben. Uy, nice pass by Pinky Jong, diskarte. Jong. Uy, naghanap ng ball si Jong, pero the ball will remain with the white team. Mon, to Ben. Ben, naghanap ng pasahan. Nakita si Marvin. Nakita naman ni Marvin si Mark. Si Jong, nasa lista. Wala. Ben, to Bernard. Wala mapuntos. Bernard, ayaw talaga. Mark, ayaw na si Mark. Iwatak mo. Mark, uy, muntik na mawala. Ben, umikot. Ben, uy, tama. Ball. Sige na. Ayaw talaga. Mark. Marvin. Binigay kay Ben. Ben. Nakita si Mon. Mon, wala. Jong, wala. Big shot, pero nakuha ni Ben. Bernard, wala pang punto si Bernard. Bernard, ayaw talaga.
Ayaw tumawag.
Oy, nice pick by Jong. Good basketball game.
Ayun, nagdadala na.
Nagdala na si Aaron ng bola. Aaron! To Ben tumira ng 3. Uy, patay. Jong! Dito, Jong. No good. Rebounded. Dalawa, ayan. 2-on-2. Kick, pagkita lang. Ayaw na yan. Bernard! Nakabunas din si Bernard. First basket of the ball game by Bernard. Double digits din ang Centurion. Pero analo pa ng lamang, dito sa East. 15-point. Nice beat from the Centurions and fourth turnover. Nice beat. Ayaw talaga. Nagmatan lang. Mon! Ako naman! Mon! Medyo ako sa tigran mo doon. Konting texting. Another turnover. Bernard. Ben! Ayaw talaga! Mark! Oh my God! My God!
Si Mark talaga.
Si Mark! Lagi na lang si Mark! Bernard to A1. Uy! Nakita sa A1! Mark! Nakapagod pa! Marvin! Okay na!
Improve na ito na.
Nag-ano na lang sila eh. Half-court play na lang sila eh.
Oo.
Hindi nila kakayanin ng takbuhan ng mga yan.
Kanya-kanya.
Sino yung foul
Sab, bro, sab.
First team foul ng Centurions Mod going for 2. Uy, medyo kapo.
Shot, shot.
Huwag ka magkakalit tayo, pre.
Kanya-kanya yung itim eh.
Huwag ganyan, ang naman nag-assist tayo dito, pre. Sablay, pareho, 3-4-1. Jeff, nagkadala na rin ng bola. Jeff, wagad ang bola. Jeff, malaksak. Jeff, medyo na, ay! Game over.
Sab, Ben.
Ay, hindi pala, the ball will remain in the black team pala. Eric going in for Ben. Parang magandang pakitain daw yun, nakapasok ng press kagad. Parang shoot side yun, kaso laki na naman press, 31-14. Ayaw ba yan, Centurion? Ben, mag-isa lang, Ben, with a face! Ben, naghanap, nakulong! John, Marvin! Tuwan! Oy, Sablay! Oy, Jom po dyan! Grabe ang hassle ni Jom! Oy! Ayaw pa rin! A1! With the rebound! Bernard! Patake! Bernard! Tumira! Bernard! Ako! Mabukas!
Hindi sila pwede
Ay, hindi!
mag-foul.
Mon! Tumira! Mon! Patay! Mon! Tumira! Bernard! Ano? Bernard! 20! Backpack basket by Bernard. 31-18. Medyo malaki pa rin ng tamang ng 0.5. Malaki ang hulo nila. Pero ayaw na yan, Centurions, wala lang.
Laki pa yan. Ano pa yan? 12. Straight yan. Hirap yan. Ano yan?
Let's go! 31-18. Medyo malaki. Namang na 0.5. Pero kaya picture. Wag lang pumutok. Dito na. Popoy! Dinagdagan pa! Not to the rebound. What a hustle! Oh, yung ganda ng pasa! What a foul! Ben Domling, second team foul ng Centurion. Ganda ng ball rotation ng white team. Popoy! First basket is good. First free throw is good.
Ano yan? Shoot?
One of two, Aaron with the rebound. Aaron to Allen. Allen almost lost it. Allen to JR. JR with the fake. JR with the spin. JR nakulong. To Ben. First basket of the ball game by Ben Domling. 12-point lead. Medyo malaki na yung gas ng Jared to Tito Dan. Tito Dan, attacking Tito Dan. No good. Popoy with the follow-up. No good. Aaron with the rebound. To Eric. Eric double team. Aaron to Allen. Allen to JR. JR mag-isa lang. Pagile, JR. First basket of the ball game by JR again. Hoy, sabi mo na lang. Ganun lang. Tito Dan, to to Marvin. Marvin, back to Tito Dan. Tito Dan with a fake. And the ball will go to the black team. Nice hustle. And
Kaya may rotation talaga sila.
patay ang titigit.
40. 30.
Huli! Muntik na mahuli pala. JR. JR. Allen. Allen, hinarang ni Ben. Oy, lang! 28.
7.
First personal. In favor pa rin at 0.5. Hindi pa lumalabang ang Centurion. Pero napakalaki ng katang nakatalabang ng Centurion sa 0.5.
Alright. Last.
Again, ball game brought to you by Taco Boy.
Shout out to Owen. Shout out.
12 for Dynamax to develop proper clinical development. And of course, Mike Kitchen. Care of Boss Archie. Boss Archie in the house. Thank you, Boss Archie, for supporting the league. Ay, sabi na natin ito. Mag-aalaga pa ng anak. Mag-aalaga pa ng mga anak. Alam nyo, itinipilang yung mga asawa niyan. Patas na yan. Let's go! Eric, quick release! Ayaw talaga! Dito na, rebound. Mark, Tito Dan, back pass! To Boroy! Football, wait. On the ball will remain in the black team. Eric to Ben!
Ito na lang.
Upit lang. Okay. Dos lang pala yun. Dos lang. Dos lang yung tira ni Ben. Dos lang. Dos lang yung tira ni Ben. Dos lang. Eric. Big set. Tumira. Ben na naman. Binigay kay Eric. Binigay kay Ben naman. Ben. A1, wala. Nakita dito na sa. Jared. Nakita si Mark, nakita si Tito Dan. Nakita naman si Popoy, Popoy, itira si Napoli. Eric. Binigay kay Ben, dito na. Ben, ayaw! Para may harang! Ayaw talaga! Para may nagdadasal sa konsen!
Wala talaga.
Ayaw talaga, Eric! Bernard! Ayun! Pagkakas! Para may nagdadasal sa konsen! Aling na lang! Boy! Jared! Ayun! Pinapagkat sa akin! Nap! Binigyan kay Tito Dan! Tito Dan! Binigyan kay Jared! Kay Mark!
Naging close guard na.
Tito Dan! Harap! Tito Dan! Pwersa!
Time out.
3 months up, 3 months up.
Sinong time out?
Time out sila?
Sinong time out?
Time out kayo, tol?
Reminder, both teams, the two timeouts ha. Both teams, the two timeouts. Magsabi lang kayo. Gulo nyo eh. Nasa, uy, I got this! Oh, boy! Oh, shit! With the hustle! To Bernard! Bernard! Bernard to Ayun! Ayun! Marvin! Marvin!
Walo na lang.
What a run!
First quarter pa lang.
Balik na naman sa walo! 9.5!
Ilang quarter na ba?
Oo nga eh. Hindi ko alam eh. Bahala na.
Third quarter na yan? Third na? Fourth na?
45 has 2 timeouts left. Centurion has 1 timeout left. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! 45, dalawa timeout ko ha. Dalawa timeout. Mana kayo dyan. Centurion, isa na lang timeout nyo ha. Mana kayo dyan.
Pahinga ka muna ng 2 minutes.
Isa na lang timeout nyo. Pwede pa rin dalawa pa. Ayan, inbounding. Maka-learning kayo.
Tingnan mo na, Sek.
JR lumapit! JR umangat! JR sablay! And the ball will go back to the white team. Walo pa rin ang labang. Hindi pa nakakalabang ang Centurion. Popoy kumat! Popoy! Umangat! Ang ganda ng depensa ng parehong team. Nice hustle by the Black Team. Hit, double team! Hit, the double team! Oy! Oy, hit! Nakasahan! And the ball will remain, and the ball will go to the white team. Nice hustle by the white team! Ganda ng hustle ng white team. JR lumapit, JR tumira, JR wala. Jeffy the rebound. Jeffy kay Kiki, ayaw ka agad. And then second personal foul. Ay, first team foul ng Centurion sa Popoy. Not. Sige kay Popoy. Popoy! Nanaman tayo! Popoy! Medyo lumalayo na naman. 12 na naman. Uy, nanabesahan! Nanabesahan si Aaron! Mark to Jared! And the ball will go. Oh, the ball will remain with the white team. The ball will remain with the white team. Oy! Ang ganda na naman isa. Bernard! And the ball will remain with the black team. Huwag kayo magkamadali, hanggang telok lang tayo. Ano huwag kayo magkalit pa eh? Kasi may 9 seconds pa eh. Marvin, nakita si Jared, isa lang. Nagdalawang isip si Jared. Jared, ano yan? Binigay kay shooter. Popoy! Ano yung dito? Bernard!
Sub.
Jared,
Sub. Sinasab mo.
Jared, first
Sa referee kayo, sa referee.
team foul, Centurion. Bernard!
Ilan pa tayo naman na?
Yes, sir, Bernard! Yes, sir! 2-2.
Yan ang score? May score na kami?
Tampok! Tampok, dinagdagan pa ni Marvin. Ayan na!
Okay lang.
Marvin, alam na. Marvin. Oh, ano ba? Oh, ano ba? Ano ba, Zach? Oh, I think backward violation. Ilan ba lang nila? 12 pa rin! Jared, dinagdagan pa! Uy, ay! Pass mo rin, pass. Ben, third personal foul, Ben, second team foul. Bola kayo dyan. Hindi ako, sila natin to eh. Hindi, uwi na tayo eh. Hey! People play conceded by Marvin.
Tira na!
Eric! Shot!
2 points in lead.
2 points lang. Dos lang. 13, 30.5. Not. Binigay kay Jared. Ayan na naman si Jared. Binigay kay Marvin. Marvin! Umangat. So good. Uy, nakita ni Mark. Ako naman nga. Sablay. Nakita naman ni Natat. Uy, kasi nagulat si Marvin. Marvin, binigay kay Natat. Natat, kumeke. Natat. Natat!
Ang nipis naman ang tawag sa kanya.
Ben, warning for penalty.
Sabi,
Ben, ha?
panay blocking na.
Ben, warning for penalty. 13 foul ang Centurion.
Eric!
Not yet. Oh.
Uy, wala.
Oy!
Not, first season. Yes, sir! That's not 2-2 on the free throw line. 15-point lead with less than 3 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Ben! Ayaw talaga! Allen with the hustle rebound! Allen with the shot! Allen! A-Rod with the follow-up! No good! A-Rod again! No good! Mark Gonzalez! Oh, foul! Warning for penalty! Nothing! Oh, sayang!
Ay, mga sila dito.
Able to rebound. Able to Vincent. Vincent, naghahanap ang kapasahan. Oy, nakita! Alex, masyadong malalim. Alex to Vincent. Vincent, Alex! Uy, Alex, Timeout, white team! Alex with the shot.
May guard dyan.
1 minute 46 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. 30-point lead in favor of the 0.5 team. Maraming pwede mangyari. Maraming pwede mangyari. Makakabang oras. Pwede mag-round out. Tigil na laro. Tigil na laro.
Game. Parang paano.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Bola.
Nangyari.
Kung minutes ka paglalaro Brad, tapos maglalagay ng ibang tao, pwede sino bang ano matutuwa? Papapasokin ako, ayoko na maglaro. Paano ka na?
Sige. Tuloy na lang ako na, bahala na.
Nas. Ben, nakita si Marvin, umangat! Wala! Hawak na! Nas. Jong, to Ben, to Nas. Jong, umangat! Ayaw pa rin talaga. Jong! Uy! Bernard! Uy! Big set! Nawala! Era foul! Ano yung foul? Jong! Third personal foul, Jong. Second team foul. Yes, sir. Sakto ka, boy. Bernard, 2 of 2 from the free throw line. Oy, Bernard! Keep the game alive, Bernard! No good, big set! Ayaw pa rin!
Wala
Go!
Wala talaga.
Mark, to Nat! Pakisama na kami ng Miyata move! Nat, with the Miyata shot! No! Miyata shot! Para 50 years Big set! Nice defense by Joe, Marvin! Tito Joe! Wala siya sa Tito Joe! Okay na ba? That is the end of the game! What a win by 0.5!
Nangyari doon.
Nice game from all teams! But 0.5 dominating the whole game! Since the first quarter, nice hustle by both teams.
Ito siyang first pick.
Mau kita aja, basta ka
Karon kasi di mo siya jauh-jauh Japon. Kaya kasi siya jauh-jauh Japon, wala na siya. Sige siya jauh-jauh. Wala na. Sige siya jauh-jauh. Away gini mo. Japon bisa